everybody, it's Everything Tampa and we are at Sparkman Wharf today and we can't wait to show you around. Let's go take a look. So Viv and I are gonna go ahead and we're gonna take a look at the shops and see what cute items they have. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and check out the food trucks. We're gonna grab ourselves something to eat. So let's go take a look. We found the golden ticket! Milk. What do you like, honey?
Milk chocolate,
okay,
please.
We'll try the milk chocolate. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
oh,
so I have a couple of different suggestions.
Okay.
I do have a maple bourbon to try.
Okay, sure.
It's one of my personal favorites, I would say.
Okay, perfect.
Would you like to try one as well?
Oh, sure. Thank you. Oh, I guess I'll take it.
Okay, this is the maple bourbon. Let's see. Oh my God.
It's very good.
Has that syrupy taste and a little bit of crunch to it. That one's delicious.
The triple toffee right over here.
Oh my God, okay. Oh, this is a little, oh, it looks like a stone. It's so cute, it's beautiful.
Thank you. Oh, wow.
This one is so good. Like, literally, I don't know which one's my favorite. Which one's yours?
The first one.
Okay. Mine might be the second. Thank you.
I'm sorry, I can say that one more time.
Okay.
Coconut toffee almond, strawberry shortcake, cranberry almond, and regular toffee bar.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
And we're gonna go ahead and get the maple bourbon. It's delicious. Thank you. See? This is literally Christmas in a treat. I've never tasted Christmas, and I think this is what it would taste like. So the next store that we're gonna go into is the Modern Paws. We absolutely cannot wait because between us we have 4 dogs, right Viv?
Yes.
We also do have a couple cats, so I can't wait to go in. Look how adorable it is. Let's take a look. to call them tuxedos because they're so cute and they make your dog so fancy. And you can also see that they have t-shirts for your dogs representing the Tampa Bay Buccaneers and the Lightning and the Tampa Bay Rays. So no matter what your favorite sport is, we totally have something here for you. We just got done with the dog shop, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take a look around and see if we can find any signature drinks. So let's go take a look at the first food truck.
Lightning today.
What did I get?
Canopy Dreams.
I got the Canopy drink, which is so islandy. And now we're gonna go ahead and take a sip. But before we do that, cheers.
Okay. You want to do it again? Okay.
But before we do that, cheers. We need that TikTok. Another one where they're doing the cheers with all the drinks. Have you seen it? The people do it.
Yeah.
Another one.
Not me. That's not me. It'll be another one. It'll be water bottles. Water bottles.
Good. Should I take a picture of the drink? What do you want me to take a picture of?
Well, I'm already drinking it. Take a picture of the drink if you're gonna take it now.
It's okay. No one's measuring.
Oh, we're measuring.
I knew you were
That guy
gonna say
made them
that 'cause
pretty
you're
too.
just-
He said they're beautiful the way he made them.
I agree. So to order here, you actually have to scan to view the menu. So let's go ahead and scan it and see what they have to offer us. our first one is George Clooney. Our second one is The Rock. And the third one is Kendall Jenner. And I'm totally going to tag her in it because I love her. But really, I love Chris. So let's see what happens. We're going to go ahead and take our shots. Wisdom, do you want to... The elephant in the room?
I don't want to do that. All right,
We can sip them. We can sip them. What are you taking?
So you take the shot and then you put the tagine, or do you
I
line
don't
it?
remember. I think you do it first.
Yeah, right? These are like kind of like flavored liquors, so they're not like straight
Okay.
vodka. So I'm gonna drink the Rock shot today.
And I think I'm gonna pick the Kendall Jenner. And let's see what happens. Cheers. Do we do the lime before or after? I can't remember.
You
Okay,
got the
after.
lime, but it's got tagine on it.
Oh my god. That. Okay. Anyways, let's go.
Cheers.
Oh god, Jesus.
Lime, water.
It tastes like
That's gonna be the thumbnail. She's having. Look at.
it tastes like I'm gonna die.
Heart attack?
Okay, water.
Oh yeah, water.
There ain't nothing flavored about this, honey.
Oh, there's nothing flavored.
There's nothing
Mine
flavored except
smells
the lime.
good. Mine smells flavored.
Okay. All right. Go ahead, flavored water. What's the flavor? All right. Are you okay with your egg roll? Are you okay, honey?
I'm okay. I
You're
just
like-
really want a drink because I want to have that.
finishing up now. We're going back to our parking. We really enjoyed it. It was very dog friendly.
Did you
Are
push
we
the button?
moving?
Push the button.
Oh God, we really liked it. We didn't love the restaurant that we chose, but we loved that it was dog friendly. We loved all the cute shops. We loved the chocolate store and the beer gardens, and we loved that they had live music. So hopefully you will go out there soon. And until next time, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we're Everything Tampa.